Hello everyone. Today I am showing you Dussehra's collection of Milan fashion. Many much varieties arrived and daily many new items are also opening. Hello everyone, I am Ahmad Asim, tour of Milan High Fashion from Milan High Fashion. I will show you the all varieties of Dussehra which arrived today. Okay, and daily you will get a new range, new variety. Every item I will cover from low rate, medium rate, fancy, heavy. Every item I will show you. Okay, and first I will show you to explain my address. So we are located in proper main Hyderabad, Old City, High Court Road, which is a famous road only. We are on main road, High Court Road only, and over here landmark is there, Shadab Hotel, Madina Hotel. When you come over here, Shadab Hotel, there is a petrol pump, and opposite of the petrol pump, when you will see there is a big red color board, Milan High Fashion written. That is the only our building, and you have to come over here only. So starting, I will start the all new varieties. Check it out and have a glance. And I request you to see please full video so that you can get an idea of the range, and many of them are new business, starting new business also, so I request them also to watch till end, and I will give you some points also about that. This one is also our product, iconic only. In Western you will get almost two iconic R items only. This is double layered with a full lining piece. This is for 295 approximate. I am saying the price. I will not say the price of every item. Just you I am saying for you to get an idea. These all are about 300 only. And the prices which I have said, these are pure wholesale prices only. And you will get this if you take 7 to 8, 9 bundles compulsory. Below that you will not get in this price. Because this video I have made for never to Dussehra time only for wholesale. We have separate retail department also, that you have to, but you have to visit store on different section, different floors. We have having retail department. This one is imported fabric. This is a jacket removable. There is a button on it. When you open it, the jacket will be removed. This is pure heavy rayon, and this one is imported cotton, full stretchable. This one also imported fabric, handwork on it, bell sleeves, full stretchable fabric. This one is a rayon jacket style item. This one of the highest selling designer. This is t-shirt quality, not hosiery. In market usually you will get hosiery fabric more, because to set in range they use hosiery. But this is a pure t-shirt which you buy in market 200, 250. That quality t-shirt is there. And this one is imported fabric, pure Toko. Simple, sober, classic item. Heavy rayon fabric. This one is ari work. Now it's in trending. This one is stretching. Hands, bell sleeve. In this you will get 5 to 6 colors and 3-4 varieties is there. And many varieties will come also in this. One is this. This I am showing you because this is new, and you will see less in this market. Many much variety and range is there, but I am showing you just a glance, so you will get an idea. One of the most beautiful jacket style item on this also. Up and down little. In this you will get two prints. This is in Douglas style. This one is also in Douglas style. This I am showing for you only and for idea. If this is a top, example, this top is for double XL size. In this you will get 4 different colors. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to buy 4 because I am showing you at last, because many of them are new. For an idea I am showing you, for an example. Like this you will get 4 different colors compulsory, and this is called one set, and you have to buy this compulsory 4 piece. And when you visit shop, you have to buy minimum 7 to 8 set like this. From 120 to 600, 700 we have range. Whichever price you want to buy, you can buy, but minimum you have to buy for this for first time. Another thing I will say you how to contact us. First I will say you that we are closed on Sunday. Okay, compulsory we are sold only in Dussehra. From 1st October to 25 October we will be open 100%. Okay, after that every Sunday we are closed. So I request customers to please, many of them come on Sunday, I request them to please, we are off on Sunday. And this I am saying your phone number. This is only for calling. If you have any doubt, any emergency, any you have to for clarification, then only you call us, because we don't receive much calls, because some customer call us 4 o'clock morning, some call us 7 o'clock morning, some call us night 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. So it's not possible for us to also receive the call, and then customer comment that why don't you respond. But we don't respond because we are, when you out times you call, it's not possible for us to respond also. And for retail you have to visit our store compulsory. We have different section, you will get all this type of variety, more variety also available, but you have to visit store. And for wholesale I am giving you 2 WhatsApp number, but this updating on WhatsApp will be done after Dussehra. On Dussehra we can't reply everyone on WhatsApp. So request all customers to please visit store if you want in Dussehra. After Dussehra you are seeing or watching, you can WhatsApp on this number, only WhatsApp. We will update you on WhatsApp after Dussehra. But in Dussehra compulsory you have to visit store, because we are walking customer is also there, then online customer, it's not possible for us to handle both everywhere. Only WhatsApp. Sunday we are closed again, and timing are for calling and for WhatsApping 11:30 a.m. to 8:30 p.m.
Wholesale no call.
Only wholesale, no calling on this number, please request. In this also please call us between 11:30 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. Please don't call us at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock night, 7 o'clock. Okay, because we keep the cell phone at office only, then we dispatch. And in case any problem or anything, please if you are new customer or you are running a boutique or online you are selling anything, please visit store. We would like to help you. And inshallah when you see the variety, compulsory you will increase your sale, because South, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala and Andhra, Telangana, almost taste we cover, and we are alhamdulillah very good in this taste. So I would like you to please visit for store to check the variety. And if you after that also if you say WhatsApp, we can do WhatsApp limited only 150, 200, 200 patterns also. But we visit the store, you will get many much range. Okay.